Hey, what's up, guys? It's Sam. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are having a fantastic day today. We're going to be doing the Buckle Up in your truck 225. Click your ticket. Buckle Up in your truck. Click your ticket 225 at Kentucky Speedway. I'm not going to call it that. I'm just going to call it the Buckle Up 225. Let's check the season status right now. We just came off of a win at Chicagoland Speedway. We're third in points, in actual points. Johnny Sauter is first in points with 0 wins. We have the playoff standings lead, though. It's been 7 different winners this year. We have 3 wins. Brett Moffitt has 2. And then Noah Gregson, Stuart Friesen, Matt Snyder, Justin Haley, and Ben Rhodes all have 1 win. Statistics. We just got our 10th career win in all of this game, which seems like we've won a lot more than that. We got 7 Dirt Tour wins. Yeah, seems like we've gotten a lot more wins than that. But I've also been playing this game for a little bit. This Let's Play has gone on 2 months. I think officially 2 months now. Well, maybe a little more. But yeah, let's go to Kentucky Speedway in Sparta, Kentucky for the running of the Buckle Up 225. Buckle up in your truck. Click your ticket 225. What's that little text down there? Kentucky Office of Highway Safety. God damn, that's annoying. That's quite the annoying name, if you ask me. God damn. Alright. Let's go qualify. I think for Eldora, we'll use a special scheme. Alright, 1 lap. I'm going to predict that we're going to start in 15th place. That's my prediction. 15th.
Just like in practice. Qualifying counts. Here we go.
I didn't do practice, so that's a relevant term you just said. Oh wow, I almost hit the wall right there. Means we're driving it hard.
Let's
16th, man, I was 1 place off. I've never actually got my actual starting time, my starting position correct in this game, which sucks. All right, race starting. Okay, so we are actually starting 15th, but we didn't qualify 15th. We started 15th, but we didn't qualify 15th. Noah Gregson's the pole. Wendell Chavez starting in the back, and there I am.
We're going green this time. Almost ready.
Green flag is in the air. We are racing from Kentucky Speedway.
Car outside. All right, careful now. Still there. Hang tight there, driver. Hold this line here. All right, clear outside.
So first lap is pretty clean, and we're up to 8th place. It's actually a pretty good race right now. Pretty good racing.
Need you to stay on the bottom right here. Still there.
Up to 2nd place. See, I feel that this racetrack, oh, 4 wide right now, exactly. See, I feel like this racetrack is very capable of great racing, but it just doesn't happen because the cars suck. Like, if we use the cars from, like, I even think the cars tomorrow would produce great racing here. But, like, the cars from, like, 2004, I feel like it would produce, like, some of the best racing of the season. This would be, like, a fan-favorite racetrack, but the racing sucks here because of the cars we use. Or maybe not even that. Maybe we just need to race it at daytime. Like, I'm such an advocate for night racing, but I feel like we need to race this race at daytime. Because remember 2013 when that race was postponed and they were some of the best racing all season? Well, that was actually a good season though. It was a great racing though. Matt Kenseth won that race. There was that big huge crash. It was actually legitimately good racing. And then 2017, the Xfinity race, that was actually some good racing. There was some crashes. There was excitement. I feel like night racing is not really meant for Kentucky. I mean, maybe in the truck series it is, but like even the truck races here is pretty boring. Okay, asshole, fuck you. Why would you do that? Like you not only did you hurt yourself, but you hurt me. Like or other way around. Not only did you hurt me, but you hurt yourself. Like, if it was just gonna hurt me, then okay. But, like, you're just actually being a fucking idiot at this point. Like, it's not helping anyone. Inside, fucker.
Inside. Careful, still there.
I don't know, maybe NASCAR just doesn't even need this track. Like, it's in the middle of fucking nowhere. Like, this is one of the least populated towns in all of the country, Sparta, Kentucky. And just ass loads of people come here for a race that sucks. Maybe this track just isn't needed for NASCAR. Isn't meant for NASCAR. Maybe it was better when just the Xfinity and the trucks raced here. Maybe we should just demolish it and make like a shitty-ass football stadium. No, don't do that. Don't do that. The Kentucky Titans. Well, the Tennessee Titans already exist. And they fucking beat the Patriots and I'm pissed. The Kentucky No. The Kentucky Chicken. The Kentucky Fried Chickens. Yeah, I like that. The Kentucky Fried Chickens. No, build a baseball stadium here. There's no baseball stadiums in the middle of nowhere. I thought about that. There's racetracks in the middle of nowhere, but there's no baseball stadiums in the middle of nowhere. They're all in cities. All of them are in cities. Well, shit. We lost that stage point. Alright.
Top 10 that stage. That's worth a few points.
Alright, let's pit. But let's fuck with the system and only get right sides. So he can be the leader of the race, which can only go fucking horribly, because nothing good will actually happen.
Alright, coming to the green. Almost ready. Outside.
The garbage disposal. Dispose. My dick.
You're clear.
Well, no, this disposal has disposed my dick. It's a video. It's a funny video, too. This guy calls 911 because he stuck his dick in a garbage disposal.
Got one down low now.
But I don't know really how you do that. Well, I mean, maybe if you have like an average-sized dick, you can get away with it, but I don't. Mine's just like ungodly small, so. But like, even with a big dick, like, how do you get your dick stuck in a garbage disposal to the point where it like chops it up?
Careful, still there. Stay on the bottom here for me. Still there. All right, careful now. Still there.
So who do you guys think is going to win the championship? It's championship week. I think, I'll go through who I think will win the championships, and then who I want to win the championship. I think the championship for the Truck Series will be Johnny Sauter, unfortunately. I think for the Xfinity Series, it's going to be, I think it'll be Brett Moffitt, or not, Daniel Hemrick. No, because he sucked at the Homestead race last year, so, who else is in there? I mean, I know Chris Rebel is, but Tyler Reddick and Cole Custer's going to win the championship because he's great at Homestead. And then, for the Cup Series, I think Kyle Busch is going to win. So who I want to win the championships are Justin Haley. I want Justin Haley to win the Truck Series championship. I wanted Ross Chastain to win the Xfinity Series championship, but he's not in that anymore. So I want Chris Rebel to win that. And then I want Kyle Busch to win the Cup Series championship. We're losing all these fucking positions because this game is retarded. So much for restarting first.
Still there. Car there is on the outside. Outside. Cleared all around.
Shit.
All right, 2 laps left. Let's stay calm. All right, let's go. 1 lap. White flag is out. Hold your line. You got 1 inside. Hold your line. All clear. All clear. Inside. 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 Clear all around. Inside. Inside. Inside.
Alright, that's the end of stage 1. We got passed in the last second, so we don't get any stage points. I guess we don't really need them, because we're already locked in by a long shot, so.
Powers, call the caution.
Caution's out. Yeah, we actually need to pit for 4 tires. Nobody's out of this race. Been a pretty average race. Alright, let's go green.
Be ready.
And green flag is in the air. We are underway back again for the final stage at Kentucky Speedway. I'm going to try to do the same strategy that I did at Chicago to win this race. I mean, I don't think there'd be a caution when there was, so we'll have to do a little bit differently, but I mean, I think we'll try to do the same strategy that we did. Pit at a different time. Only get, actually get no tires when we pit. Just get fuel. I think we can win.
Still there? Clear high, bud.
But that's if there's no cautions, which, knowing this game, there will be. Because this game's stupid. Thank you. I want a dog.
Wow, that was your best lap ever.
Oh wow, it was. That's good. I still don't think that would have got me the pole though.
Careful, still there. Car there is on the outside. Outside.
See, it's a risky call, but I'm gonna get no tires in this pit stop.
Still
I mean, my tires will be shit, but hopefully I can hold the lead. That's if there's no caution, which there probably will be at some point. But I'm gonna pit with like 7 to go.
Car high, careful now.
Oh no, I'll pit with everyone else. How about that? No, I'm gonna pit with 7 to go. I'm gonna pit with 7 laps to go in the race.
Car outside. Car outside. All clear, all clear. Clear low, bud, clear low. Inside, inside, inside. Car outside. Car outside. Hang tight there, driver. Hold this line here. Top lane's free here. Use it if you need it. Top lane's free. Car outside. Car outside. All right, now you're clear. Bottom lane's
Shit.
clear. Use it if you need it. Got a car up top. He's up top. Got a car high now.
Well, that was a very aggressive and stupid move. On my part. Shit! Alright, we're good. That wouldn't be a caution in real NASCAR unless if Kyle Busch didn't want a caution. And then they would pull a caution. Or if it was like help Truex or Harvick. Then they would pull a caution. Because that's just how this fucking shitty ass NASCAR shit works. And it lost me a lot of time escaping that wall. Just let him by. Let him by.
Inside.
Gotta give him up that spot. Just gotta do it. Sometimes it's not worth the battle.
Hang tight there, driver. Hold this line here. Hang tight there, driver. Hold this line here. Track's all yours, bud. You're clear? All clear. Inside. Inside. Careful. Still there. Careful. Still there. All right, now you're clear. 10 laps to go. Careful, still there.
Four laps left on fuel. We should just pit now.
Stay on the bottom here for me.
9 laps left in the
Careful,
race.
still there.
Yeah, let's just pit this lap.
Still there. Inside, inside,
But we're just gonna get fuel. It's a risky call, but I feel like it's the only way.
Stay up high here. Stay up
Because
high.
we do need tires, but it's the only. It's not gonna work out if. I mean, it's probably not gonna work out anyway, but.
Drop your speed, driver.
But yeah, just fuel. Not even any tires. I mean, and being in ninth place. I mean, other people might not even get tires, but if they do, then we're gonna win. But if we do get tires, it's impossible that we win. I mean, except it takes them long enough to just get fuel. I don't know why. Probably could have gotten tires in the meantime.
Clear the pit. Hammer down. Come on, go.
Alright, so we came back just where we were. I'm racing like I have better tires now. They do that. They speed you up when you're a lap down. I don't know why. I'm not a fan of it either.
Got one down low now. Got one down low. He's inside. All clear. All clear.
Or a caution comes out right now when I'm a lap down. That would suck. That would actually legitimately piss me off. I think I would get the free pass though. I don't know.
Pitting in front of you.
Alright, the drivers are pitting. Yeah, our tires are shit at this point. But it was worth the risk. So I'm hoping everybody gets 2 tires. So it'll take them some time. I wish I had an estimated pit stop time thing when you were getting your
Watch
pit.
the car in front of you. He's slowing down. He's going to be pitting this time.
Yep, there's a fucking caution. Great. Alright. We gotta stay out. Fuck! Fucking stupid ass people. Alright, we gotta stay out. I don't even know why we stayed out. We probably should have just pitted. I'm fucking pissed.
Be ready here. Inside. I need 2 more. Stall left, driver. Keep it going. Hold your line here. Top lane's free here. Use it if you need it. Top lane's free. Inside.
Luckily we're back on the lead lap, or else I would be like livid.
Got one down low now. Got one down low. He's inside. Car on the outside now. Outside.
This was a wasted fucking race.
Stay low. Still there. Inside.
Final lap.
Let's go. One lap. White flag is out.
Is that Jordan Anderson up front?
Hold me a good wheel
That's
here.
gonna be a caution.
All right, now you're clear.
No, Ben Rhodes. I don't know why I saw a white car. Alright, overtime.
We're going green this time. Be ready.
Back to green.
Couple more turns. 2 more. 2 to go.
Wow, we're passing everyone.
Hard on the outside.
Maybe this is better than I expected. I mean, it'll still be a... All we're going for now is wins. If we don't win the race, it doesn't even matter because we're already locked into the chase. Every race is going for the win. There's no second place is good enough because we're not racing for points anymore.
Still there. Clear low, bud. Clear low. Inside. Clear all the way to the bottom. Clear down low. Last lap. Give me one good lap. Hit your mark. down the bottom here for me. Still there. All clear. Careful, still there. Car there is on the outside. Outside.
All right,
You left
8th
everything
place.
on the track for a top 10. Nice job.
I guess the top 10 is all right. I'm still pissed off that that caution happened though, because we even if we didn't win, it would just been cool to like see the strategy play out and like maybe someone like fucking Robbie Lyons wins the race or some shit. I don't know. It would have been cool to watch it all play out. But yeah, Ben Rose got his 2nd win of the season. Let's go back to the fucking place where things happen. Yeah, that one, you know. The shop. A player invited you to a community. I don't want to. Yep, 8th place. It's completely out of control and all over the place. Every single race, just an awful, awful driver. Fuck you. I wouldn't say that about you. Shit, now I have to do an Xfinity race. You know what? I don't even want to. I'm just going to sim the race. Are you sure you want to automatically simulate the race results? Yes, I do. Finish 27th. Fuck. You missed out. Well, then I'm not going to get a good ride next year. Seriously, that was terrible. I didn't even do it. I didn't even fucking drive. Okay, fine. I just simulated the race. It was Iowa, too. I was not going to waste my time doing that shit. Alright. Eldora's up next. Season status. Let's look at that. Standings. We're 4th in actual points. We'd be just 3 points behind, or 4 points behind Brett Moffitt if the actual point standings were relevant. Johnny Sauter would still be the points leader. I think it's pretty cool that you can get like no wins and still win the championship. I mean, it's kind of weird, but like, I mean, I guess you technically could still do it in this system, but in this new format. But I don't know. I miss the old system where it was actually good. But yeah, guys, it's gonna be the end of this video. If you guys like this video, please leave a like on it. If you dislike this video, please leave a dislike and a hate comment telling me exactly what I did wrong. Be sure to subscribe to notifications. And as always, goodbye, bunny and rabbits.